Most project managers focus on the build, but don't underestimate the impression your site cabins leave. Your client, architect, and senior management will spend more time in these spaces than you think. A clean, organized cabin immediately communicates professionalism, attention to detail, and control. When the environment is clean, meetings run better, your team enjoys coming to work, and clients are far more likely to trust the quality of the project before they even walk the site. On the other hand, dirty cabins create the opposite effect. Clients become more critical, confidence drops, and small issues suddenly receive much more attention. A clean site isn't just about hygiene, it's about protecting relationships, reinforcing your reputation, and making every visit leave the right impression.